Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. Before I start, I request to all my subscribers or non-subscribers to check out my new channels. Okay, you will learn a lot of engineering things on there. Especially my Indian subscribers, there is a special channel for you, so please subscribe it. Okay, so let's start. So I will click on assembly mode, click OK. So for the sake of simplicity, I will make all my parts in assembly mode, as you know it is easier and faster to make it here. Now, first thing that comes to your mind, what should I make first? So first thing that I'm going to make first is a crank rod. So click on new part and select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now watch carefully what I'm going to say. Listen carefully, sorry. Notice no external references is checked on. Make sure it is also happen in your PC, because if it is not, you will face a lot of issues. And I see lot of people complaining, hey, my mate is not working, my part is fixed. The reason is very simple. No external references is unchecked in your case. So make sure it is checked on. Now, first thing I'm going to make is crank rod. It is just a simple drawing, not highly accurate engineering thing. Just a sample animation thing. So let's make it 300 mm. Diameter will be 50 and this will be 20. Click OK. Notice it is still undefined. Okay, so drag, select this point by pressing Ctrl, select this point, make it coincide by pressing Ctrl, select this one, by pressing Ctrl, select this one, make it horizontal. Now it is fully defined. If you don't know what is meant by fully defined, undefined, blah blah blah, check out the free SolidWorks course, link in description. Now I will draw a circle again here as well. Let's make it 70 and this one will be 30. And draw a center line like this and escape. Click on mirror entity is what I want to mirror. This line. About what? About this line. Click OK. Uh, Click on here like this face, this face. Make sure it is mid plane and you can see how much is thickness. So increase it. I think 20 is fine. Select this face. Click on sketch and right click on this traffic light icon that is rebuild. Select this face, click on sketch. Escape key, select this point, delete this constraint. One 1.5, 25, 12.5, those of 215, 52, extrude cut, blind, 5, click OK, and I will select this front plane, click on mirror, and what a feature I want to mirror. I want to mirror this feature, click OK. Okay, so we have made one part. Now let's try to make piston. Let's select this and type crank rod, click on rebuild icon, click on here, new part, select a plane as per your requirement. In my case, front plane is fine, so I will click on it, press Ctrl plus 8. Make sure no external references is checked on, else you will face a lot of issues. Now, to make this thing, what I will do, uh, I will make a piston here. Select this line, make it construction, and select this point by pressing Ctrl, select this point, make it coincide, 95. Features, circular, revolve was face, click OK. Select this face, click on sketch. Rectangle is fine. Make sure no external reference checked on, else you will face a problem. I'm repeating again and again because I saw many complaints on my channels. Before I narrate, give some options. 5, 60, 30, escape, select this point by pressing select this point, make it coincide, and mirror. Okay, you see the sketch is not closed, so I was getting some issues. Now it's okay. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch. Extrude cut. exit. So we have made one thing. Now the question is how I can make the shaft one. Click on here, new part, select the top plane. Make sure no stop references is checked on. So this part is very important and it is going to be quite complex. So watch carefully. And mirror the entities about this line. Okay, my sketch is not fully closed, so that's the issue. So how can I, close it? So what you have to do is click on here, click on extend entities, select this, and it will automatically close this. My bad. 5 is fine, 10 is fine, I guess. Select this space, click on sketch, draw a circle here. 50 is fine. Take 113. Escape, select this point and this point, make it horizontal. My bad. Okay. And extrude 30. 50 is fine, I guess. And click on linear pattern. What I want to pattern. Uh, so I want to pattern this thing. Select the features only because I want the feature to be pattern. Reduce this distances to 2. Increase the distance. Now select this face. Click on sketch. And sketch. Convert entities. Press Ctrl A. Press Ctrl C to copy it. Ctrl A. Ctrl C to copy it and exit. Select this. Press Ctrl V. Paste it. Uh, Something that before I do, select this sketch and click on make block. So the purpose of make block is so that I can't able to change its dimensions. I can you can see I can move it freely. That is basically what I want. Now what I basically want to do is to rotate it. So how can I rotate it? So move entities, rotate entities. I guess this point. This is fine. Select this by pressing control. Select this tangent. Make it 150. Select this line, make it press Ctrl Z. Now right click on block and click on export block. Notice it is converted to a sketch. That is basically what I want. Click on here, 10 mm. Click OK. Select this face, sketch. T. Exit the resulting component mode. Now, now what you have to do is make sure that in assembly mode, select the top plane, click on sketch. Now I will draw a reference line or a center line. Basically, I will use it as a mate, so to reduce my complexity of work. So if I try to move it, you can see it is moved, but I don't want it. So click on mate, select this face, and select this. It is tangential right now. Click on concentric, click OK. Now it can move in this direction. I don't want it. Select this face and select the right plane. So that's good. Now select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. What should I do with this face? Select this face and select the front plane. No. Uh, I will click on here, click on view temporary axis. I will select this line from this and select the top plane. Looks good to me. Click OK. So if I try to rotate it, hey, looks like a good one. No, but the work is still not completed yet. Let's work again. So what I will do, I will bypassing control, drag this, and bypassing control, right click on mouse, drag this. Now this time I will select this part and move it here and rotate it. Same goes for it. Click OK. Mate this face, this face. By the way, if you want to learn how to do motion analysis in deep details via certain steps I'm doing, check out my Udemy course, link in description. You will learn a lot of things there because I cover in deep details. Looks good to me. Now let's make two more. So by pressing control and right click on a mouse, drag it. By pressing control, right click on a mouse and drag. Hmm, just some coincidental mates. Let's see if it's working or not. Hey, it's working. Before I move forward, the fillet is quite low, so let's do some modification in this. So I will select this part, click on edit components. Select this. There must be some fillet there. Okay, fillet I guess in sketch mode. That's the issue for me. Okay, not this one. I think this is one sketch. Let's control Z. First thing that I have to do is click on fully defined sketch. Click OK. Notice my sketch is fully defined now. Now, before I move forward, select this one and delete this. So this one 30. Oh, let's control that. Control that. I can change the emissions. Damn it. Yes. Or I can do other thing. Select this part, click on component, select this face, click on sketch. Mm, wait a minute, exit the sketch and components. Not. Let's make it, first align it properly. Then I will use something called what I got. Now what I will do, I will select this face. So first select the part, click on add component, select this face, click on sketch. Now I will can look at it. So select this and this. Mirror entities. Mirror what I want to mirror this line. About what this one. Click OK. And on the 20. Let's control that. 19.68. Okay. So this is the dimensions that basically we are going to use. Now what I will do, I will go to the features, click next to it. Make sure it doesn't go that deep. I think this is fine. Select this face, click on sketch. Let's repeat it here. Draw a random line. Select this point and this point. Make it coincide, make it let's control side. Uh, that will be 50. Select this, delete, and the 30, 59.10. Okay, this is done. Now click on mirror entities, mirror line about this line. Click OK. Remember the line that I'm currently drawing, it doesn't matter anything. Okay, Main thing is just I want to cut something, so that is the reason. So I don't give dimension or not, doesn't matter. It's up to you. Extrude cut. Click OK. Okay, it's not rotating. Remember the made that we have added, the parallel made. Delete that. Now, yes, go to the motion study. Select this motor. Why it's not showing? Cancel it. Hmm, Stance 360 degree. 5 seconds fine. And for those who don't know what are these settings do, I highly recommend. Please check out my Solidworks animation and motion of this course. I have covered in deep details. Okay, so you will learn a lot of things there. Right. And calculate. So I hope you guys learn a lot of things here. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.